Another day, another video. I'm back at it again. 2 days in a row here recording. I'm probably gonna drop like every other day or every 2 days, something like that. But here we are. Damn, it's dark. We're gonna be going to the store in Springfield because today's actually the end of the giveaway and we gotta announce the winners. But Drew doesn't want to go live because he's being a pussy. So I have to go there. I'm gonna go live. And since he didn't want to be on camera, I was like, you know what? It gives me a reason to record today, to put him on camera, just to piss him off. So, hope everybody's having a good day. We are gonna head over to the Springfield store now, and yeah, let's get over there. I gotta start waking up earlier too. It's 1:19, I'm just getting out of the house. And if I went to the gym today, which I don't go to the gym on Fridays, but if I did, I probably wouldn't have gotten out the house till like 2:30. And that's not good. Comment below, what time do you guys wake up? Because I can't keep waking up at freaking 11:30. It's not good. But we're gonna go over to Springfield right now. Today might be a little bit more of a boring day, but I'm just gonna vlog, show you guys what I do on a regular basis. And then, yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. So if you want to stick around, I appreciate it. Share this video, drop a like, comment. Let's get this YouTube channel jumping again. So I know we could do it. I don't even know what I did to this guy. There's a freaking school bus, and I went behind the school bus, like switched lanes behind him, and he moves over a lane and flips me off. What did I do to the school bus driver? If I went behind him, how could I have come off from behind? And he waited till I got off the exit too. I would have flipped his school bus upside down. But we're almost there. We're like 10 minutes away. There's so much traffic because of Memorial Day weekend. But we're getting there. We're getting there. Once this building's done, it's gonna help so much with like the traffic on this street. It's already very good, but I think this will bring a lot more because that's like however many units, at least freaking 100 or 2 of more people that are gonna live here. And then the store's right here, so very good. Excuse me. I'm trying to make a left too, my brother. You didn't want to be on camera, right? I picked up this camera today specifically to piss you off. That's the only reason. Where you going?
How are you, bud?
Let's come and get some exotic drinks. These don't have anything in them. They're just regular drinks. This is peach Pepsi from Japan or something. Whatever that is. The fuck?
Yo,
I gotta walk around this way. No, definitely not. Alright. We gotta go live on Instagram and do the giveaway right now. Yo, we can't do lives.
What?
We're ineligible to do lives. No way, that's crazy. Damn.
Yes.
Alright, we're just gonna have to do a regular video. What's up, guys? Mike from Legal Leaf Springfield here. We have all the entries for the giveaway right here in this bag. There's probably 200-300 entries. So basically, we did a giveaway. You put your email and stuff on here, and then you get a chance to win some flour. So we gotta call all these people. All right, so we just finished that giveaway, and we are already starting another one here. We're giving this away now with some more raffle entries. And yeah, the main goal for these giveaways when you own the business is try to get emails, so you can send out emails or phone numbers, whichever works better for you, because it's a good way to send out discounts, send out stuff like that, and to bring customers back in the door, which is the goal. We gotta put more of these out because we're running a little low here. Job's done there. We gotta go home, meet up with the dog trainer. I think he's a dog trainer, yeah. And because we just adopted another dog. I don't know if you guys seen my last video or 2 videos ago. We adopted we fostered a dog, and then we ended up just keeping the dog because it was a really good dog, and her name's Dove. And then now we just adopted another dog. We named him Bear, and he's gonna be a big boy. He's a German Shepherd, Doberman, and 2 other dogs, Pitbull and something else. He's a mix, and he's gonna be a big boy. He's already big, and he's only 3 months old, so we definitely gotta get him trained because he keeps shitting on the couch, and he can't be shitting on our couch. That's not okay. So we're gonna head home now, meet up with him. I'll show you guys the dog, show you guys the apartment as well, because I know you guys didn't see it yet. And we moved, and I didn't really film in the last one, so. But we've been here for like 5-6 months. It's not fully done, clean, anything, but I'm gonna show you guys anyway. This is just my life. So there's so much traffic right now, it's insane. I don't know what's going on. I guess because Memorial Day weekend. It's Friday right now, but it's like, oh, it's 4 o'clock too, so people probably just got off work. But even at 1 o'clock when I was on my way to the store, there was so much traffic. I'm just cruising down a freaking side street right now, trying to get out of some of it. But it's working a little bit. Let's see what happens when we hit this next highway, I guess. But I'm about 10 minutes away from my house right now. I mean, 10 minutes for me, like 4 seconds for you guys. It took me a freaking whole hour to get home. It's only 20 minutes away. That's crazy. God damn it. All right, let's go. I need to pee really bad, and yeah, I got an hour before the dog guy gets here, so we got a little time. Let's see. Uh-oh. Somebody's scratching at the door already. Hello? Bear, get inside. Come on. Hello. Hey, Dove. Hello. Stop, no biting. Are you cleaned?
Huh?
You cleaned?
Yeah.
Looks nice. We have to put these waterproof things on the couch cushions for now, so until he learns, because he's bad.
He actually clicked the buttons today.
He clicked the button? Oh yeah, so we have buttons all over the house that Gia taught Dove how to use. There's a P one. There's play. There's a treat one, water and food, and she uses them all. It's kind of crazy. She's really smart, and she's 9 months old right now, and he's 3 months old. But he's so cute. Okay, so yeah, guys, we got this big ass couch. We have a projector here, projector and surround sound, whatever the hell, over there. This is the kitchen with the bad dog in it. Dining room. Here's the bathroom right here. Just a regular, like, 2-bedroom apartment. We were in a rush and we need something quick. This, I don't know why this is up here. Did you try to do some pull-ups?
Yeah.
Did you get any?
3.
You did 3 pull-ups? Good job.
Let's see if I can do them again.
Yeah, try. Let me see. Go.
I don't know if I'm doing it.
That one doesn't count.
Why doesn't that one
There you go. 1, 2. 3. Good job. Because the first one you jumped. Good job. Shit. That's impressive. Okay, and then.
I used to do more, like almost 10.
Yeah, you can do 10 again. You just got to keep doing it. And then this is our game room here. So this is Gia's side. And then this is my side. It's a little bit of a mess. We have clothes. This is a massage chair that we have a million clothes on. But yeah, this is my side of the game room. And then this is Gia's side. And we got a little cat thing and a cat door for our cat. But yeah, there's this Supreme mirror. I got to get the mirror for the inside, but this thing's like $4 grand. And I got a good deal on it, so we bought it. And then little washer and dryer room, whatever. And then this is the bedroom. This is probably the worst room right now when it comes to being a mess. But yeah, we definitely we got some cleaning to do for sure. Just don't mind it. This was a spur of the moment video, so I figured I gotta show you guys the full reel of how we're living right now. But and then we had to put this rug up. This rug was under here, but the other foster we had pooped all over the rug. So we just put it up there, cleaned it, and we gotta get it like power wash or something because it still smells a little bit. And then other than that, I'm gonna go make some gift cards for the store because we're gonna start doing gift cards in Springfield. If you guys want a gift card, stop in, get one, get a gift. But other than that, guys, if you want me to keep posting, share these videos on your Instagram, please. Tag me in them. I'm reposting all of them. Just show some support. Drop a like, drop a comment. I'll be in the comments talking to everybody, hanging out. So please make sure you drop a comment. And yeah, that's really it. Love you guys. See you in the next one. We'll be back. I'm posting every 2-3 days, so we'll be here. Peace out.